Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desma here. Today we are wrapping up our black and white beaded earrings tutorial. In part 2, I'll show you how to attach the fringe and add the hook so your earrings are ready to wear. Let's jump right in. You've tied your strings and now you're starting to make the fringe part. So you need to have your thread in the middle and then so that we start hanging the beads. Like this, now we are ready. Now let's start counting the beads. Let's start with 1 black, then 4 whites, 1 black, 1 white, 1 black, 1 white, 1 black. They are long white beads. They are all 18. Then following with 1 black, 1 white, 2 black, and 1 white. Let's see on the next line what we are going to add.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Now ready for the next line. We're going to count again. This time we are not counting 1 bead. We are not counting 1 black bead, but 2 black beads. The white following beads will also increase with 1, so there will be 5, and the rest will remain the same. On to the third part now. We start with 2 black, then we add 1 on the right. We're having 5 on the previous one, so if we add it's going to be 6 white. The rest remain the same. Then you pass your needle through the beads, all of them. When you reach on this part, then on the very end, after you pass your beads through the last 3 black beads, now you're going to turn to the next line where we'll have our 4th line. You're going to pass your needle through there to make the thread hang now, ready for the 4th hanging. On the 4th part, again, you're just going to add the number of beads. On the black, you add the 1, it's just +1, +1. On the white one, also 1. The other ones remains the same. So until you reach the middle part, we will start changing the pattern now. So keep it here and hope you understand everything that I do. Yeah, until we reach the middle part, then we continue. This is going to be all middle. You count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are going to repeat the same. On the same line, we are going to repeat the same thing that we did on the 9th one. This is the 10th line now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here now, we are going to go reverse. So whatever we've done for it to make a movie, the parts V, the black part, we're going to repeat what we've done, but in a reverse way. Yeah, so this is what we're going to have after doing all that. Then, now we're making the, oops, let's start. You're going to have your Uzi, your thread and needle first there, ready to make a hook, the hook parts. On the next, you're going to have 2 beads now, not 4. Then you pass through the thread, like I'm doing now. For black beads there, then you pass your needle through that thread. I wish I had a black thread, I could have used it, because the white one is really showing on the black bead. So if you have black thread, it's better. Still making the hook. Now, if you haven't subscribed until this point, what are you waiting for? Please like for me this video if you love it, and also leave me a comment if you've tried it. Let me know what was the challenge, and I'll thank you. Also, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at desmabeadedjewelries. Your earrings are ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my other beadwork videos. I'll see you in the next project. Bye!